President Obama says let's extend the Bush tax cuts for another year, but this is the key point, not for everyone, just for what he calls the middle class. Families earning less than $250,000 per year or individuals earning less than $200,000 per year. According to Mitt Romney, this is what he said, quote, successful small businesses will see their taxes go up dramatically, and that will kill jobs. He said that on July 9th. Now, let's remember that Democrats say the only reason that Republicans want those tax cuts extended for everyone, including the top 2% of earners, is because they want to protect their wealthy donors. That, of course, is a tough charge to defend against, so Republicans need a better reason to want the tax cuts extended for the rich, and calling it a job-killing tax increase is arguably more effective. But just because Romney and the rest of the GOP make that claim doesn't make it true. Christine Romans, host of Your Bottom Line, joins me. Christine, why does a debate about personal income tax rates have anything to do with small business?
Oh, it does, Allie, because the IRS allows small businesses to report business income on their personal returns, and those businesses can be structured in different ways. For example, limited liability companies, partnerships, and S corporations. Now, this is all very technical. Each has their advantages and disadvantages, but you don't have to be a tax accountant to understand what this debate in Washington is all about. All of these are called flow-through entities because the business profits flow through the company back to the owners. Those folks then pay taxes on those profits at the individual rate. Millions of American business owners do this, Allie.
All right, how many of those millions of small businesses that use this flow-through would be affected by letting the Bush tax cuts expire for top earners?
Very few. That's because most of them don't make enough money to be taxed at the very highest income levels. In fact, Congress's Joint Committee on Taxation, that's a bipartisan group in Congress, it knows exactly how many small businesses would be affected. Just 3.5% of all small business filers would find themselves there at the top of the income tax bracket. That's 940,000 people. That means the vast majority of small businesses in the country, more than 96%, would not see higher taxes under the president's plan.